Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your preferences. So when you first join, you have to do this, but you can also edit them at any time. It's right under preferences, and this is where you're going to update your experience goals, product types, occasions, and interests so recommendations continue improving over time. Meaning things like actions are designed so that if you've never created a mug, then we're not going to recommend as an action that you create a mug because you never created it. So if you're noticing in your actions there's products missing, it's because of this page. So come back here, you can edit it and add in the product, and then it will show up in your actions more in the future. So the whole thing is like the operating system is based on you, your store, and product demand, and then any gaps that we see for the kind of blog posts and things that we want to create for you and publish to your store. So if you don't have a store, we will build one for you. Basically, you can request one, and then how many products do you have currently? Your experience and available time, that matters too. And then what can you already create? So in here I put like t-shirt, tumblers, canvas, message card, necklace, hoodie, ornament, mug, and hat. And then what have I never created? I put blanket, hat. Oh, I've hat twice. Oops. Well, let's go like, there we go. There, I found a mistake. So yeah, I've created hats. So blankets, tote bags, posters, pillows, journals, basically, because I've just never really got into those. I stick with what I know best. Anyway, which occasions have you sold products for? Select them all. And that will help us too, because we want to make basically a pillar post, like a main kind of gift guide for each one of these occasions. And we also want to make a bunch of supporting posts for the occasions. So if you don't check an occasion in here, like say graduation, you're not doing anything in the graduation area, then we're not going to recommend actions for you to create graduation products, right? Instead, we're going to focus on seasonally the next upcoming event, and then evergreen, whatever you choose. So in my case, it's Father's Day and birthdays are right now, but Mother's Day rolls around, then the system is going to shift gears and start recommending that I make some Mother's Day products. Or if I'm done with birthdays, maybe I shift to anniversaries as well. I don't even have birthdays in here. Birthday, anniversary. Huh. Valentine's Day, Christmas, graduation. I actually like graduation, retirement, and a wedding. Just filling in some more. Memorial, housewarming, everyday gifts. Yeah. Teacher appreciation. No. Memorial Day. No. Back to school. No. Labor Day, Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, Black Friday. Oh yes, that. Secret Santa is actually a really good one too. New Year's, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, boss gifts. Not a bad one. Bridesmaids gifts. That's a huge one. Bridal shower is actually huge too. Engagement, definitely. Get well. Groomsmen, yeah. Just because. New babies are huge. That's a wicked market. New job, pet birthday, pet memorial, promotion, sympathy, thank you. And then what matters most right now, you can select like get my first sale, get more sales, get more traffic, build my email list, build more products. So I'm just going to put everybody wants more sales. What would you like training on? So this will let us know too if there's anything that you kind of don't want to hear about, then your preferences matter. And then what marketing methods have you tried? Anything else you want to add? And then click save. So I'll click save, and then I'll say preferences save. So I just updated my preferences. So that is key to the system. If we don't know you, you don't tell us anything about you, it's going to be very difficult to make really good recommendations based on you, your store, and what you want to accomplish. So the system is very smart, but the more information we give it, the smarter it becomes. So we don't, like I said, we don't want to be recommending you create like graduation presents if you're not into that. You know, you could come in here and you could literally just pick one kind of evergreen occasion. Say you're like, you know what, I just want to do a birthday gift store. Okay, just select birthday. And that's it. That's all you're going to get is birthday as your option. So the preferences is really where we need your input manually, because there's really no other way for us to tell. I mean, when we connect to your store, we can see your products and see what you have. You do still have to map the products to the system, but without you telling us a little bit about you, we don't really know anything about you. So that is how the preferences work, and everything ties together in a nice bundle so that we can produce, get you making the best products for what you prefer that have demand, in order for us to create blog posts, like main blog posts with supporting blog posts pointing to them of other products within that occasion, and product types and all this good stuff. So the back end working behind this is um, very complex, but the upfront, we tried to make it as simple as possible for you to use. All right, so that's preferences. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll see you in the next one.